Congratulations, guys. Our trade that I mentioned yesterday played out like clockwork. First of all, congratulations. And here are interesting things right now happening on the Bitcoin chart that we definitely have to talk about while Bitcoin is going higher and higher. And we have to pay attention to specific levels there ahead of us. If you think that is interesting, then make sure that you're subscribed to this channel. Also like this video and activate the bell so that you will never miss out on these important updates and especially trades when I post them, especially when they are profitable like this one here right now. And let's go directly into the charts because I just saw something while I was clicking through the charts that is playing out here right now. So first of all, again, congratulations for this trade that I mentioned on yesterday's video. We got not stopped out here when I was posting this trade, so which is of course good news. So congratulations to everybody that was able to catch this one. And this bullish divergence was of course also playing out here on the 1 hourly chart. So I hope that you have, in the best case, closed the trade, and if you're still in this trade, move your stop loss now at least to $23,500. That means that you are already in a profit, and no matter what, the trade is risk-free, and target the next level of $24,000, and there I would close that trade 1 to 100%. So at $24,000, get out there. If it turns around and it wicks you out, absolutely fine. We will look now at some new trade setups that we can potentially trade here. So here on the 1 hourly chart, basically everything is set. So let's move on here to the 4 hourly chart. So where we see now a clear breakout out of our falling wedge here that I was talking about. So and now we are trying to stay above the next resistance level of $23,734. Right now we are currently above that. But of course this 4 hourly candle has still 2 hours to confirm the break or to get rejected. So we will see in the next 2 hours what's happening here. Based on the stochastic RSI, the way how it's shaping right now, it should get continuation to the upside. And here's also a bullish candlestick formation. Here is a Morningstar pattern, which is basically here these 3 candles also indicating a reversal back to the upside. So blue skies ahead if we can maintain that momentum that we are seeing here right now for Bitcoin. So and the reason why Bitcoin is pumping like this is the DXY getting rejected exactly where I predicted that we will get rejected. I have said it the last 2 days that I expect a rejection at the top of this rising wedge here, and that is exactly what we are seeing here right now, that the DXY is coming down and potentially also fall out of this rising wedge, and the technical target for the rising wedge would be the bottom of it, which would be amazing. It would be all the way down here. And guys, I can tell you, if we would reach that level, Bitcoin will be trading over $26,000 in my opinion, if we can break the rising wedge to the downside and reach the technical target of it. So that would be insanely bullish for Bitcoin. So and I predict here the next coming days will be bullish for Bitcoin because we see it in the stochastic RSI, oversold, sell signal, overbought on the RSI, correction. So everything on the DXY is telling us that we should get a bullish reversal for crypto this week, specifically for the whole market. So now when we go back here to Bitcoin, to this 4 hourly chart, here comes now what I have seen just before I started this video. Really interesting. We were forming here a cup and handle pattern that has just broken out to the upside. So if I take it like this, so sorry for my drawing skills, they're not the best. So here would be the neckline, and then the bottom, let's just go to the bottom of it like this. So then you see the technical target is $24,200. So and we are on the way up there. So we could reach that even today, in my opinion, that target. It doesn't have to happen today, but technically there is enough momentum left in the market to achieve that. So and that is basically why we see here now this bullish break to the upside, for once for the DXY, and because we were forming a bottoming pattern, reversal pattern here on the 4 hourly chart with a clean breakout to the upside for now. So when it comes now to the next trades that we can potentially do is either the, let me go back to this chart here. So either we see a confirmed breakout above $23,734, or and the next candle is also pushing to the upside. So that could be the first scenario where we can open a new long position if you're not in one already. Or the second one could be, if we get rejected, we might get a retest of $23,500, $400, and that will give you another opportunity to enter a long position here to all the way up to $25,200, because that is the technical target of that falling wedge. So of course that will take a couple of days, but that is absolutely fine as long as we can make money in this market. So, and if you want to do that, don't forget that you can sign up on BYBIT. You still get $30,000 with my specific link here, or on Bitget $20,000 also only with that link. The links are in the pinned comment below or in the description of this video. So when we go to the monthly chart, we see here also now a nice pump here to the upside, and that makes the monthly close even more bullish with further continuation to the upside. So because when we look back on prior Februaries, let me go here, here for example, in 2021, we got here this bullish close, and then we saw another continuation here to the upside, and also let me go here. Also here last year we got a bullish close and moved higher. So March could be insanely bullish, especially if we can stay above $23,400 for the next 2 days. That would be an insanely bullish signal for the macro time frame that Bitcoin will continue to rally over the whole month of March to the upside, and also break here the macro high of $25,000, what is it, $400 on the monthly chart. When we go here to our Wyckoff accumulation pattern, this is working like clockwork. I have told you from the beginning, guys, that I believe that we are in it, and now we see it happening, that we started here now the final move to the upside here. So we had here this whole section here. This section is done. So which was basically this here. And now we see the final move here, the breakout to the upside, which is basically here these two candles starting it. So of course, to confirm that, we have to break resistance at $25,200. But once that is broken, it's confirmed, and then all hell will break loose in the crypto market, and we will definitely go to $27,000, $28,000, $29,000 over the next coming weeks. I hope you enjoyed this quick update, guys. Please don't forget, smash up the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, and I'll see you then again with profits tomorrow.